Did you know there's about 2 billion people that drink almost 4 billion cups of tea every single day around the world? And you're probably one of them. Now let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered where your tea comes from? When was it made? Or who made it for you? Let me guess, you don't. And it's not surprising at all. And this is not your fault. The tea industry is really a mystery, and it's completely outdated. There's way too many middlemen creating little to no value at all and depressing the income for the farmers. On the other side, they're degrading the quality and the freshness of the tea for the consumers. My name is Nish, and with a family lineage of more than 40 years in tea, I'm a second-generation tea producer. Nepali farmers produce some of the most exotic and unique teas around the world, but they suffer from the same exact problem. We're reinventing the way teas have been sold for over hundreds of years. We're Nepal Tea Collective, a direct-to-consumers company that cuts out all of the unnecessary middlemen in the tea supply chain and brings you the freshest cup of tea directly from our farmers. Here's how things work. The freshest harvest of our farmers are collected, then checked for quality and packed at our origin facility. From there, it makes its way all the way to New York in our warehouse. Here, check this out. Pause the video, scan the QR code that you see on the screen. You see, we're not bringing you just teas, but also the real people behind your teas. Each packet has a unique QR code that shows you the date of production and the farmers behind your teas, giving you a transparent look at your product. We're a mission-driven company, and our farmers are not just our suppliers, but our real partners. That's why we're a public benefit corporation. We actively share 1% of our top-line revenue directly with our farmers to improve their lives and the quality of the teas that they produce. Similarly, we also plan to invest another 1% of our revenue towards the planet by planting 1 tea sapling with every single order. I started in 2016 by selling teas from our family farm, which is Nepal's first certified organic tea garden. Now, we've added 3 new smallholder farms and have sold over 8 million cups of tea worldwide. Our teas have been voted top 10 among hundreds of global brands and have won multiple national and international tea awards. One of the most significant is the bronze medal in the Global Tea Championship in 2019, competing against more than 200 tea brands globally. We're growing at about 78% each year and are on track to double that growth this year. We've built our business organically through Kickstarter and with the support of the crowd. And we're back, giving you the opportunity to invest in our company and be a part of the movement. We've gotten this far organically, and we see exponential growth ahead of us. For that, we're raising funds to expand our product line to other herbs and botanicals, where we're seeing strong demands, but we wouldn't be able to keep up with the resources at hand. Next, we aim to expand our model to other tea farms and, more importantly, build an awesome team. Currently, we're a small but mighty team of 4 passionate young people, Pratik, Ritu, Sanskar, and myself, on a mission to reinvent the tea supply chain and impact the lives of millions of farmers. When you invest in Nepal Tea Collective, you're not just investing in a company, but a movement towards sustainable food systems that is good for the people and for the planet. Hope you'll join us. Cheers.